mga congressman po sa lower house pupunta sa opisina. Yun po.
Active congressmen and not former congressmen?
Ano po, meron po yung dati po na naging
Sino siya?
si Ma'am Dukot po. Lumabas na din naman sa Inquirer.
Dukot?
Si
Okay, the
dating
ERC.
phone. Opo, sa ERC.
Okay.
Naging agent po namin siya.
Mr. Chairman, I move that we subpoena the following people. ERC Chairman Zenaida Dukot, Mr. Matt Ranillo, third, Ms. Justa Tantoco, and Attorney Des Santos. And at the same time, I move that we subpoena all documents pertinent to the court case involving Mr. Matt Ranillo and Ms. Janet Napoles.
So committee is taking note of your motion, Senator Trillanes, and when Senator TG comes back, we'll discuss it.
Okay. Is the Secretary of Justice amin ba? No? She already left?
Babalik ho ba si si Secretary Laila?
So who can speak for the DOJ,
DOJ.
in the meantime?
I see Yusek.
Who's part of the Witness Protection Program? Okay. I'll just ask a couple of questions. Do you think the affidavit of Mrs. Tuason is good enough to get her into the Witness Protection Program?
Your Honor, the affidavit of Ms. Ruby Tuason is good enough to provide her with provisional admission under the Witness Protection Program. I'm saying, Your Honor, that's a provisional admission because we are requiring a certificate of materiality to be issued by the Office of the Ombudsman.
Okay. Well, I needed to ask that. While I admire Ms. Ruby Tuason for the courage to stand up and come out and be part of the witnesses for the case, but medyo kulang ho eh. I'll have to say kulang. You're from my impression of you, Mrs. Tuason, you're a smart, sophisticated woman, and I know you know more than this. Okay?